children are a gift from Allah, but they can also be a source of stress and distress. So when Allah has given you children, thank Him and ask Him to help you to raise them. When Allah has not given you children, thank Him and be reassured that He has protected you from something, or He knows something that you don't know. That's why He did not give you the child. When you pray for children, you say, oh Allah, grant me children when you don't have. May Allah bless those who don't have children with children. Say Ameen. My heart goes out to them, wallahi. You know what is one of the worst questions you can ever ask a married couple? When are you going to have children? That's a very bad question. You know why? In a lot of cases, it's not even in their hands. They want to have the children, but they cannot. Infertility is increasing on a global level. I don't know if you're aware of that. I don't know what it is to do with. People say the food, the genetically modified things. Some people blame many other factors. Allah knows best. Pray for people rather than asking a question that will bring tears to the eyes of the couple, or at least the woman. May Allah grant us ease. And then people start looking and saying, I know the problem is with her, not with him. How do you know? Even if they told you, I know of a sister whom they don't have children and the issue is with the husband, but she takes the blame for that man. Subhanallah. She says, no, there's an issue with me. I don't know of people who do that besides one who I came across. And I say, look at this. She wants the honor for that man. Who would do that? I want to say something controversial. I don't think many men would take blame for their women. I don't think they would. It's like whenever we see a wedding where there is a disabled man marrying a perfectly normal woman, I always get comments to say, you know what, if it was the other way around, it would not have happened. You know, a woman may consider someone who is differently abled. That's a word. In Nigeria, we call it disabled. I went to the colony of the disabled. They call themselves the colony of the disabled. I wanted to be a little bit more polite and say challenged. You know, they are perhaps physically challenged or differently abled or gifted by Allah. They said, no, we are disabled. La ilaha illallah. In Nigeria, it's straight, cut. You can't hold the ear like this. You just hold it here, straight. You say, look, there's a problem here. May Allah grant us ease. But globally, the terms are changing. We are becoming softer. These are our brothers and sisters. It could have been us. Sometimes we are totally disabled in our relationship with Allah. And those people are the most able in that relationship.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Hope this video was helpful for you. This may help others too, so please consider sharing. And we will bring more videos in the future, inshallah. So consider subscribing and you won't miss any. Jazakallahu khairan.